Hi everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to create favorite list in WhatsApp. Organizing your favorite contacts makes it easier to stay connected with the people who matter most. So let's get started on how to create favorite list in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Next, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the favorite option and tap on it. Now, tap on Add Favorites. A list of your contacts will appear. Select the contacts you want to add to your favorites. Finally, tap the tick icon at the bottom right corner to confirm. Now, your selected contact will be added to your favorites list. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.